4 situational examples. I'm going to start with a few K-drama scenes and what's lost in the subtitles that have to do with the ways Koreans address the person that they're talking to. Recently, I was watching an episode of the K-drama titled Our Blues, 우리들의 블루스. There was a scene where Eun-hee was telling another female character about her first love in high school. The female character was reacting to Eun-hee's tantalizing stories, and the subtitles for the scene read, "You totally did that, Eun-hee? Like this?" And "You are unbelievable, Eun-hee." And another line was translated, "Seriously, Eun-hee?" But in the original Korean, the character never said Eun-hee as written in the subtitles. Instead, 언니 was how Eun-hee was referred to. The term 언니 means older sister and is used to address and refer to one's own sister. However, it is also used by females to address other older females who are not blood related but with whom she feels close with. So, when the other female character called Eun-hee 언니, Koreans would know that she is younger than Eun-hee, and the nature of their relationship is quite close and casual. That's what's lost in translation in the subtitles. If you don't know Korean, you may never know there's age gap between them and that their relationship is casual and friendly enough that it's mutually fine to address and to be addressed with the term 언니. Let me tell you about another scene from the recent drama Crash Course in Romance, 일타 스캔들.